Your car is hiding secrets, seriously. Hidden buttons, spy-level tech, even mind-blowing tricks using your own head. Most drivers go years without ever discovering them. But once you do, you'll never drive the same way again. Buckle up, because what you're about to learn will completely change how you see your car. Number 1. Hidden storage compartments. You might be sitting on secret storage right now and not even know it. Some vehicles, like Jeeps, Toyotas, and Volkswagens, hide clever compartments under the seats, inside armrests, or even behind the dashboard. Why? To keep your valuables secure and out of sight, far away from prying eyes at gas stations or parking lots. These compartments are perfect for stashing emergency cash, tools, or personal items when you're on the go. So next time you're cleaning your car, check underneath and around. You might just discover your vehicle has more storage than you thought. Number 2. Key fob signal booster, the head trick. It sounds like a myth, but it's real science. If you ever find yourself too far away for your key fob to unlock the car, try this. Hold it up to your head. No joke, your brain, which is about 85% water, can actually amplify the key fob signal. That 30-foot range, it could jump to 85 feet or more. It's one of those strange car tricks that actually works. And yes, it's been tested. Bonus, most key fobs also contain a hidden mechanical key. Check your fob. It could save you one day when the battery dies. Number 3, recirculation button equals cleaner air. Ever noticed a button on your AC that looks like a car with a circular arrow? That's your air recirculation button, and using it the right way can completely change your driving experience. Instead of pulling in polluted air from outside, like when you're stuck behind a diesel truck, it recycles the air already in the cabin. The result? Cleaner air, a more efficient AC system up to 20% better, and a longer life for your cabin air filter. Perfect for traffic jams, city smog, or dusty road trips. Number 4, anti-glare rearview mirror. Tab nighttime driving is already risky, but those blinding headlights from behind? That's just unnecessary. Look closely at your rearview mirror. If it has a tiny tab beneath it, flip it at night. That's an old-school manual dimming feature that angles the mirror to cut out glare from high beams behind you. Driving a newer car? You may have an auto-dimming mirror with electrochromic gel that reacts to bright light on its own. Either way, this feature protects your eyes and your reaction time, especially during night driving. Number 5, emergency shift lock release. Car won't shift out of park? Most people panic, especially if the battery's dead or the electronics are glitching. But there's a secret fix built into almost every car, the shift lock release. You'll usually find it near the gear shifter, sometimes hidden under a small plastic tab or a pinhole. Pop the cover off, insert a key or small object, and you can manually override the system. It's a lifesaver when you're stranded in a parking lot, being towed, or trying to push your car out of harm's way. Number 6, road condition/ice warnings. That little snowflake icon on your dashboard? It's not just a cute winter detail, it's a warning. When the outside temperature drops to around 37 degrees Fahrenheit or 3 degrees Celsius, your car uses that icon to alert you that roads could be icy and dangerous. In newer models, the icon might even change color based on severity, from yellow, caution, to red, danger. And some high-end cars go a step further, communicating road condition data with nearby vehicles for real-time hazard updates. It's like having a personal weather assistant built into your car. Number 7, fuel cap holder. Ever let your fuel cap dangle while refueling? Bad idea. Most modern cars actually have a built-in hook or notch, usually on the inside of the fuel door, to hold the cap while you pump gas. It seems small, but skipping it can cost you big. A loose or dirty cap can allow debris into the tank, scratch your paint, or even lead to $3,000 plus in damage if dirt clogs the fuel injectors. So next time you fill up, look inside that fuel door. Your car's been trying to tell you something. Number 8, color-coded engine components. Pop the hood and you'll probably see some parts highlighted in bright colors, yellow, blue, or red. That's not just for aesthetics, it's a guide. Manufacturers color code user-serviceable areas so you don't accidentally touch things you shouldn't. Yellow usually marks oil dipsticks or caps. Blue often points to washer fluid or coolant. Red might be for transmission fluid. If it's gray or black, don't mess with it. That's the zone for professionals. These visual cues help you do basic maintenance confidently and avoid disasters like pouring oil into the radiator. Number 9. Remote window roll down. Ever walked up to your car on a hot day and felt the heat punch you in the face? Your car might already have the fix. In brands like Hyundai, Kia, VW, Honda, and Volvo, holding the unlock button for a few seconds can roll down the windows remotely. On older models, even turning and holding the physical key in the door can trigger the same function. It's perfect for ventilating heat before you step inside and avoiding those burning seat buckles that feel like branding irons in summer. Number 10. Remote start with hidden tricks. Remote start is more than a luxury. It's a performance booster. In most new vehicles, Lexus, Toyota, Mazda, BMW, and more, you can warm up your engine in winter or cool the interior in summer using just your key fob. The sequence varies. Toyota, Mazda, lock times 2, then hold BMW, lock times 3. Others use phone apps. Starting the engine early not only keeps you comfortable, it also reduces strain on engine components, letting oil circulate before you hit the gas. Number 11. Fuel gauge arrow. Here's a detail so tiny, people miss it for years. On nearly every fuel gauge, there's a small triangle next to the gas pump icon. That triangle points to the side of the car with the fuel tank. Left or right, it's your instant reminder at gas stations. It's been standard since the 1990s, yet studies show over half of drivers still don't notice it. Use it once and you'll never awkwardly U-turn at a gas station again. Number 12. Easy fill tire alert. Say goodbye to overinflated or underinflated tires and to guessing when to stop filling. Cars like the Nissan Rogue, GMC Terrain, Jeep Grand Cherokee, and Cadillac XT5 have a built-in easy fill system. Here's how it works. The exterior lights flash while you're adding air. A single honk tells you the tire pressure is perfect. Multiple honks plus lights means you've overinflated. It's precise, easy, and saves you from pulling out a pressure gauge every time. Number 13. Drowsiness detection system. This one could save your life. Cars like Subarus and Volvos are now equipped with a drowsiness detection system, often symbolized by a tiny coffee cup or an eye icon on the dash. These systems track your lane position, steering behavior, and speed consistency. If you start drifting or driving erratically, it gently alerts you, sometimes even suggesting a break. With drowsy driving responsible for over 1,500 deaths and 71,000 injuries annually, this tiny symbol might just be your best co-pilot. Number 14. Conversation mirror. In family SUVs and minivans, this one's a hidden gem. Look above your rearview mirror. In many vehicles, the sunglass holder flips down into a wide-angle mirror. It gives you a full view of the back seat without turning around. Whether it's to keep an eye on kids, pets, or just backseat chaos, it keeps your attention on the road and your passengers in check. It's a small detail that adds big peace of mind, especially on long drives. Number 15. Night vision system. Yes, this actually exists, and it's pulled straight from military tech. Luxury vehicles like the BMW X5, Mercedes S-Class, and Audi A8 come equipped with night vision cameras. There are two main types. Active systems use infrared projectors and can detect objects up to 600 feet away. Passive systems detect heat signatures and extend range to over 1,000 feet. These systems display a thermal image on your dash, spotting pedestrians, deer, or cyclists before they are visible to your headlights. They work in pitch-black conditions, fog, or even rain. You don't need to be in a spy movie to drive like it. And there you have it. Your car is basically a secret agent on wheels. So next time you get behind the wheel, remember, your car's been quietly helping you all along. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up, drop your favorite car hack in the comments, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more stuff your car's been hiding from you. Catch you in the next one. Drive smart,